So right now we got the manifold. Got the manifold off right here. We took the bolts out for the valve cover. The valve cover off. I'm gonna take this manifold off and we're gonna rip the head apart. And I already got a buyer for the block. I have this post mount for any of y'all doing swaps. I know y'all need that post mount on the side of the K20, K28. Comes with the bolts. Asking 100 bucks. And whatever other goodies y'all need, just hit me up. Be like, hey, I need that. We got some pulleys. We got some other stuff. That VTEC solenoid ain't that good, but we'll make it work. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Gotta find a place to put the camera. Alright. So this is it. Alright, put my clothes back on. Alright. Sorry for the fan noise. We got like 6 different fans up in here. We got the Element right there for you Element boys. We got my Element here. And we're ripping apart this block. The block is for sale. I already sold it. If you need some cams, you hit me up if you need some cams. I'm gonna sell these cams K24 out of a CRV. They all compatible. I have this for sale, the post mount that goes on the side for you guys doing swaps. We got to get this rusty exhaust manifold off. We already got the bolts off. Look at that. I'm thinking about just bending it, get it out of the way. Yo, shout out to your boy Gabe right there for helping your boy out. Appreciate it. High tech mechanic right there. That's my boy. Alright, we gotta get this manifold off on this Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Where my long tan at? Where my long tan at? There we go. That bad boy off. Get rid of this bracket so that way you can get to this bolt here. It's a bolt. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a little bolt right here to take off this manifold here. Let's take off this bad boy. Those bolts out, yeah, bottom bolts. This looks like a 10mm. It's a 12?
Yeah, that ratchet and shit. I passed it earlier.
The lighty lefty loosey?
Nah, the bottom piece is a little too thick for it. So this is touching on the new wheel.
Cause I hit it like that.
You crack it loose with the opener. VIN number and a 3-second video of a bolt spin. So in his case, it's different. It's snapped off. I'm not sure exactly what it is they're looking for. So they need to see some form of proof that you can't take the bolt out.
Well, if the fucking head's broken, there's no other way to get it out. They know this already.
They know that they're still asking pictures for shit. Entonces, what I was telling him is that they need a little section, a little window.
Alright, there's a bracket on the side here.
See where the bolt goes through.
It's held on about 12 millimeter.
I'm not afraid of the start.
I don't know how the fuck they expect you to look inside.
To the bracket here.
Wasn't exactly what we just spoke about.
I didn't ask you to. I promise you. I didn't stop him either. I promise you I didn't. I promise you I didn't.
Dash cam on your chest.
Cause it's my YouTube video. I gotta make my money on YouTube, bro.
Well, what? Taking an engine apart?
Yeah. People want to see that shit.
People do request that shit.
Really?
I recorded some shit from my car. Like, yo, I like this car. That's how you can take off of that shit.
Send the pictures that you have already. With the head of the bolt broken in. You didn't send them yet.
Tú se la mandaste ya. Okay, they'll send them back.
Appreciate y'all for
See
tuning
what
in.
they say. See what they say. Because
Then he has to go back, right?
Yeah.
You shouldn't be sending the pictures.
That's what happens when they break your balls.
well, yeah, you already, ya se abrió. You already opened the
Why
case.
did you call first?
You're taking off the manifold now.
You get
This is a pesky bolt. Always replace the bolt. This bolt goes here where that manifold is.
create the case. That's why he was having issues. He wanted to see if he can start one over the phone. Because through IES,
But I told you to come see me. You could try it on the computer.
he already created the cases that he needs. He got to put the cases. Tú lo que vas a tener cuántos son que tú tienes dos. Pero ya tú lo puedes crear acá.
I have to go in and take the picture.
Okay, I have. Well, then send the pictures.
You got the bottom bolt top. Got the bottom bolt out here. This is the manifold. Just one more pesky bolt. And we got the valve cover bolts are out. As you can see.
That one that started stripping out, it came out, yeah?
Yeah, that one came out.
Now this one still.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry, Willie. I'll make you a channel. How to be a supervisor.
I don't know, yo, I would have taken that shit as a personal attack. You got me on your video fucking screaming shit. Fuck this shit hot.
One more bolt here. Don't worry, I'm doing this with manual tools. Take the valve cover off. They had a good gasket on this thing, huh? The bluey. Valve cover off, gasket off. So now we got, if we really wanted to, we could leave this stuff on and then take the head off. Just take the head bolts off. But we don't want to do that. These rockers are scorched. Oh my God. They didn't take care of this shit. They didn't take care of this shit. God damn.
You got our with?
This fucking guy. This is a mass
Yeah,
scorching.
man.
Woo.
Yeah, motherfucker did not change our oil.
Was it with sleeve block?
Shit.
Big boost?
All those words are two words, bro. Sleep loud, big boost.
They go together.
Huh?
RBC?
Hey, that one?
What year motor is this?
Oh nah, man, 'cause that shit is not even a 3 load.
Oh, 07.
You gonna put it on your hand? You gonna put it in
No,
your
no,
hand?
no. I'm just making a YouTube video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you gonna build it and put it in the car?
All this shit.
You come with 20, right? What motor is it?
24.
24. Yeah. Same motor.
I believe it's like an 8.3 or 8.4, depending on the year. I'm not sure. There's not that much variation to it. I'm not sure.
I was hoping these shits was at least good. They
It's
fried.
a 3 load, bro.
They fried these shits, man.
Yeah, you need a 3 load.
No wonder this shit was idling properly. They said before they took it out of the car it was idling properly. They fucking shit up.
Motor turn?
Yeah, the motor turn. Yeah.
Why was it an island?
I have no idea. They couldn't fix it, so they just replaced the motor.
You motor had compression?
Huh?
You motor had compression? They never did a compression test?
Nah.
You want to pick it out?
You know people got money. The guy who they took it out, he ain't got money. My Marinex shop. He just wanted to swap, he didn't care.
What kind of car came out?
CRV. 07.
CRV 24 is no burn oil anyway, right?
That's pretty good.
I know the Ford's
I
definitely.
told them the post mount. That's what people use the CRV post mount.
Pull the head.
Yeah,
The
so,
bottom end look.
huh?
Pull the head.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do.
Got some fucking pistons and rods in this shit. New bearings. Drop it in this shit.
Hold it.
With a manual gearbox.
That's the
That is. With a 20 head.
that's the route I would like to go. But it take time and money for that shit.
This built. All motor setup. That cam. They're not too heavy, right? They heavy?
Yeah, this motor's the cams are garbage. The cams ain't gonna work. Look at the shredding down here. Oh fuck. Yo, the shit is shredded up in there. Hold on, let me take this off real quick. Show ya. Look at the wear on there. Jesus. Look at the scorching. Whoever had this motor didn't take care of it. This motor done. But we gonna rip the head off so y'all can see how them pistons are looking. Holla, holla. We them boys. Hold on, hold on. So if the lens is covered in sludge. And there goes the water pump assembly. Whew. Oh, this ain't the water pump. Water pump's on that side, but you guys. Oh, so dirty in there. And here goes this assembly. I wonder if you could resell this. Probably not. So much sludge. The bolt stuck in there. The head is right here. It slits down that middle. Oh, that shit stink. Son, stink. When you crack these bolts, son definitely was stinking. I need a long 12 pause. Of course, I fill out a long 11. Long 12.
Trying bolt gotta come out. Because the timing cover gotta come out. And look for your separate back.
God dang. It's like a 17, no? Crank bolt?
19.
19. Low battery. Ah. See. Gabe, I need you to do 12 more cars. Huh? Ooh. Ooh, it's a foul odor. Think about building a coffee table out this thing. I've seen people build like coffee tables. This bitch is on there. Ooh, that shit stink. That shit stink. The smell of dried up oil. Ooh. Ooh, that shit stink. Yo.
That shit inside of there.
Yeah, probably. Right behind the door. Figured it out. No, I figured it out. Yep. Nope.
Wait, you said I'm the toilet for? I just guessed. I don't know.
You got a
Got a broom there? Go on my side. I got a broom and scoop over there.
How much you charge for the broom? Alright, the cam is out. Cam gears here. Might go make a table. Oh, these shits is fucked.